Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
The Dragon X8 compound bow. Basic specifications: the axle to axle length, which is the distance from the center of the axle here to the center of the axle pin here, is about 30 inches. So it's a fairly short bow, which is especially helpful for younger people. It's easier for them to manage and maneuver a bow that's a little bit shorter with an axle to axle. This is a split limb bow, so you actually have essentially 4 limbs as opposed to a solid limb. And it does have a yoke system, which is, I think, helpful when you have a split limb, because each yoke going to the limb itself, each limb, it can help manage that. So you can have what's called cam lean, where your cam tilts to the side, causing lean. And by having a yoke system, you can add or remove twist to one yoke, and that straightens out the cam. And you'll see that more readily in a split limb bow. Split limb bows allow for a larger size cam, which sometimes helps with smoothness and different things like that. As far as storing energy, the whole thing about a compound bow is that it is storing energy, which will give more force to the
This is the original Genesis bow. The benefit with the original Genesis bow, it's 100% ready to be shot out of the box. The other benefit is it has an unlimited draw length, will fit virtually anybody. The adjustable draw weight will go from 10 to 20 pounds, which makes it very easy for anybody to draw the bow to their size and stature and be able to comfortably shoot and have fun with this bow. The Genesis bow may be designed for youth, but it comes standard with highly machined aluminum parts. The riser, the cam, and the idler wheel, the string and the cable are handmade here at Genesis and 100% hand assembled.
All these What's up, guys? I just got my new bear species yesterday from the bow shop, and I'm already liking it a lot. This is one that actually you can buy, that it comes all set up, it's ready to hunt. Comes with a D-loop on it, a peep sight, rest, a sight, and a quiver. So pretty much out of the box, it's ready to hunt. And actually I was really surprised yesterday when I was setting it up. I didn't even have to make any adjustments when we were paper tuning it. It was already paper tuned. So pretty much out of the box, all I had to do was sight it in. So I really like it, and it's affordable. It's like $3.99 on the website, I think. Especially if you're new to the sport, it's definitely a good one to look into. So all I did was I switched this sight. I just put my old sight on it that I used last year just because I really liked it. But all in all, it's a super simple setup. You can get it from 45 to 60 pounds or 55 to 70 pounds. So whatever your draw weight is, it's super adjustable. Definitely look into the bear species if you're
fantastic bow for your beginning archer or your advanced archer. This bow here is actually going to go up to 70 pounds, 5 to 70 pounds as a matter of fact. It's going to go from 12 to 30 inches in draw length. This has our 2-cam system. You do not need a bow press to change the draw length on this bow. That's the one thing, you know, that makes it really nice about this, is while the kid is growing, while, you know, if you want to go from a kid to an adult, you can change it without a bow press. You know, it'll go from actually 12 inches to 30 inches. You could do that in a matter of minutes. This here, you know, we actually have it at a 30 inches axle to axle. You're going to get a 6.5 inch brace height, makes it real nice and forgiving. This is going to be 12 to 30 inches, like I said, in your draw length. This is going to come in a pile of camos. So, you know, just go to our website. You're going to see all the different camos that we got, all the different colors that we got. This package right here is the way you're going to get it sold. It sells at $3.99 right here for the way you're looking at it. Great bow. Check it out. You know, you're really going to enjoy this bow. What we done then is we step down to our Cruiser Light after that. Now this one here is just a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller than our G2. You're going to see this one right here is going to be 27 1/8 inches axle to axle. You know, it's got a 6-inch brace height on this, makes it a real nice forgiving brace height. You're going to get this in 12 to 27 inches in draw length also. Same cam system, no bow press needed to change the draw length on it, super easy. This one here is also going to come in just a whole bunch of colors. You're going to be able to get this in every color that the kids are going to be happy to have. You know, this is a great shooting bow. This is something the kids love. And let me tell you, $299 for the way you're seeing it right here. It's a fantastic value, a great bow. Go see this one also. What we done this year also is we actually come out with, in the Legend series, our dealer line, we come back with our Cruiser model. This bow here was a fantastic model. We come back out with it in the Legend series. You know, this bow here is 32 inches axle to axle. You're going to get a 6-inch brace on this. You're going to get this from 12 to 30 inches in draw length. Same kind of cam system on this. No bow press needed to get this changed out. Matter of minutes you can be from 12 inches to 30 inches in on the draw length. This is going to go up to 70 pounds also. You're looking at it in the Approach Badlands camo. This is how this is going to come to the dealers. All three of these bows are fantastic bows for the whole family. You know, we wanted to make sure that we covered the whole family at a
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.